Hi, today on Solly Hearts Math, we're going to talk about multi-digit multiplication when you have two different forms of numbers in your expression. So this says 12 tenths times 53. And when you look at that, you have 12 tenths, which is unit form, and 53, which is standard form. Standard form is just the digits, just like you do them. So when you have 12 tenths, you're actually going to model it in place value discs here. Okay, and I'm going to draw 12 discs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you see this group of 10, you know, because of the place value rules, that's going to shift over and put a disc in your ones. So you have 1, 1, and 2 tenths. And that's going to put it in standard form, which would be the most effective way to solve this problem. So you would have 12 tenths times 53, or 53 times 1 and 2 tenths. Remember, those are the same. We can do our estimation to get started. I would estimate 53 would be close to 50. 1 and 2 tenths would be close to 1. And with my estimation, I went down a little. So I would expect my answer to be at least in the ballpark of like 50, but probably a little higher. So using my multi-digit multiplication strategies, I'm going to do 2 times 3, which will give us 6. 2 times 5, which is 10. Okay, now I've done this one, I'm going to move over to this one. And this one is 10 times bigger than this 2. So I'm going to place a 0 because this really isn't one. Well, this is one whole compared to tenths. Okay, so now we're going to go 1 times 3. Identity property tells us that's 3. 1 times 5, which identity property will tell us it's 5. We're going to add our two partial products. 6 plus 0 is 6. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. So your answer before you place the decimal is 636. Now, if you look at our estimate, you would see that it's going to be close to 50. Also, if you drew 636 discs in that tenths column, it would shift out to be 63 and 6. All right, so you're not necessarily dropping the decimal, because if you drop the decimal, that's not how you multiply, because if you multiply a tenth times a tenth, you get 100, which means you're shifting over a place. So you never really drop the decimal, but you can use estimation to do reasonability. Or if you kept this in tenths, you would have 636 tenths, which would then convert to 63 and 6 tenths. All right, I hope this helps. Have a good day.